Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is one of the most awaited video. I was waiting from so many days to upload this video or make a complete bucket list and share with you guys like कि मैं 2021 में क्या करने वाली हूँ and what are my goals or what are my aims or what are the things that I'm going to accomplish in the coming year. So I was very excited and I was very eager कि like कब वो दिन आएगा, कब 31st आएगा, and I'll share with you guys, I'll upload this video, and finally today is the day to do this and share with you guys कि exactly so last year, that is in the year 2019, तभी भी मैंने ऐसी कोई list नहीं बनाई थी, but then I had made some, I've envisioned something that कि I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to spend my or celebrate my birthday at so and so place, my 23rd birthday. Yeah, but because of the pandemic and because of the lockdown, nothing happened. Everything just went for a toss. I think I'll make a separate video on this, like how I started a YouTube channel, why did I start a YouTube channel, and how everything happened. Uh, this is something that I never thought of doing. Anyway, so that video I'll very soon make a video like yeah, I'll make a separate video on like how did I start a YouTube channel and what was my journey and everything. But currently this video is not about that. This video is something like what I'm going to do in the next year and how I'm going to make the most of the year. Stay tuned with this video till the end, because in the end I'm going to unbox my Christmas gift. Okay, so stay tuned towards the end. And yeah, okay, so the first thing in my bucket list is learn a violin. I mean, to learn how to play a violin, because it's been a very long that I wanted to learn a violin, and even my dad wanted me to do so. So yeah, I've like finally decided that this year I'm going to join classes, and I'm going to put my hands on the violin, and yeah, also make videos for you guys while playing a violin, and I'm too excited for that. So yeah, learning a violin is the first thing I'm going to do in 2021. Second thing is taking fitness challenges. So you guys must be knowing that there are various fitness challenges, like there was Chloe Ting's 2 weeks ab workout challenge, then there was Emmy Wong's challenge. So yeah, so I've also thought that from this year onwards I'll be taking fitness challenges, and I'll be showing you guys results like how did it happen, कैसे हो रहा है, and everything, whether I'm able to take the challenge or no. So yeah, that is the thing that I'm going to start very soon. And मैंने एक challenge लिया भी था, which was a squat challenge, but then it just didn't happen because I wasn't, मेरा procedure या फिर मेरे तरीके सही नहीं थे. I was doing it wrong, so I had to scrap it in between. So that is why I thought that it's okay, हो जाता है. It was the first time I took that challenge, but now I think I would do squat. I'll take squat challenge, but before that I'll take some different other challenge, fitness challenge only. So I'll do that. And yeah, yeah, so the first challenge will be coming in the next week. Yeah, so I hope you guys are excited as I am. And yeah, just few days for the next week, and yeah, the first challenge is coming up. So the third thing in my list is making a travel vlog every month. I don't know whether it's going to happen, or I don't know, but I've decided that I have to do it. So yeah, I'm determined on it. So let's see whether I'll be able to do it or no. But yeah, I want to explore places, whether they are like close by places or whether they are far off places. But I want to explore places and also tell you guys about those places, so that you all also can decide for yourselves whether you all want to visit that place or no. So yeah, travel vlog. Okay, and the fourth thing is making reels on Instagram, like not every day, but at least alternate days. Yeah, so whether it's related to makeup or clothing or hairstyles or whatever. But yeah, making reels every alternate day is what I'm going to start. And I think I've started, but sometimes things happen, like I don't get time or something, or sometimes I get bored to do it. So from from 2021, I'm going to make reels like every alternate day. Reels is something that I learned from famous bloggers who are very successful and who have already made big in the blogging industry. So this is something they have like advised ki if you want to boost your profile on Instagram or YouTube or any other platform, any social media platform, since nowadays social media is, you know, it's creating wonders these days. So yeah, so they kind of advised ki making reels on Instagram every alternate days or at least like twice or thrice a week is essential. That would help you to boost your profile and gain more followers. So if you are also someone like me who's a budding YouTuber or a budding blogger, then I think even you should start doing from tomorrow onwards. I have a big announcement to make, and that I'm not going to be revealing now, but yeah, maybe in my next videos I'm going to tell you something, or and even that might help you guys. So stay connected. So the next thing is buying a new phone. Like I have a good phone, but still I want another one which has, you know, like good camera, because YouTubing is something that I've you know, just started with, and I'm going to. I mean, I know that I'm going to do it in the long run. Like I'm not going to stop it after making like 10-20 videos and then I'm going to say like नहीं अभी नहीं करना है बोर हो रहा है कंटेंट कहाँ से लाऊं ऐसा I don't think I'm going to do that. So I'm going to do YouTubing for a long process, for a long period of time, and therefore I think I need another phone with a good camera quality. So that I'm going to do, and also I need to buy some equipments for the same. So yeah, guys. So that was my list, and yeah, so there might be a possibility that after few days or after few months, things might get added in that list, but things won't get reduced from that list for sure, because मैंने बहुत सोच के I've made that list, and मैंने मतलब possibilities and also the disadvantages or whatever सब कुछ सोच के मैंने वो list बनाई है. तो I don't think that I'm going to feel regretted for like I shouldn't have added this thing in my list or something like that. So वैसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला. The things that I'm not going to take them out from my list, but things might get adding, and yeah, so I'll let you guys also know if I'm adding anything in my list, or I'll make a video on the same. And yeah, now the best part is unboxing my Christmas gift. So no one gifted me, okay? It is the gift from me to myself. And yeah, and I thought like why don't I share it with you guys also, okay, what am I gifting to myself? And yeah, so I was going to get that thing on 26th of December, but then I was out, which is why it got delayed, and I got it on Tuesday. So yeah, so I thought कि अभी यहाँ पे ये वाले वीडियो में रिवील करते हैं. So yeah, I ordered it from Flipkart. So जैसे ही वो आया, डिलीवर हुआ मेरे घर पे, I sanitized it, and now I'm going to show you all कि what is there in that. Guys, so this is the gift that I ordered for myself. It is an eyeshadow palette. So I have like two eyeshadow palettes, but both have all glitter shades, and I wanted matte, and therefore I found this one. I also follow him on Instagram, and I watch his YouTube videos of James Charles, and I found all his shades like very impressive. So I thought like let's order it. And yeah, so this one was for 999, but then I got it for offer mein tha, so I got it for like discount. So I'll mention the link in the description. So if you want to buy it, you can go and check it. And yeah, this is how the palette looks like. So I'll open it. Okay. Wait. Yeah, so what it says over here is unleash your inner artist. Yeah, and I'm liking it. But the thing is ki it doesn't have a mirror. The eyeshadow palette doesn't have a mirror. But that's fine. uh, it's okay, I'll use my own mirror. But yeah, the shades are so cool. I'll show it to you all. Yeah, so these are the shades. There are like 35 shades in it, and I don't think that I'll be buying any eyeshadow palette in the future because I've got myself covered. I don't need any other shade now. So yeah, and I think I'll try using one. So I think I'll go for this. I'll go for this one. Yeah. Yeah. This was it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you are not following me on Instagram, follow me over there. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe because I post every twice a week. Yeah, every twice a week. So please subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. And have a happy and a prosperous new year and a grateful 2021. And I'll see you guys in the next year. Bye.